Wanna learn how to hide your active status on your Instagram account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings on the top. Tap on privacy below business. Scroll down. Tap on activity status. You can see that my activity status is currently being shown. That is, it is enabled. This can be confirmed by this blue sliding icon on the top right. So if you want to hide your active status, all you need to do is tap on this sliding icon once again, and just from blue it has been turned to gray. That means your active status has been hidden. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.